What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Gas, which has pumped up a massive 50% in the last 24 hours, and it is currently trading at over $5. So is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late, or should you sell it and take out your profit? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high and how low can this crypto go, and is it worth investing into, especially just 2024 around the corner. Is this a must-have crypto in your cryptocurrency portfolio, or should you avoid it? So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of gas, which is here in purple at $2.78. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here at $4.91 here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So over the last week, we can see it has gained an insane amount of value. As you can see, it was trading around $2.25 and has reached over $5 in a space of about a week, which is absolutely crazy. And the main reason for this is because Bitcoin has also pumped up quite heavily over the last 7 to 8 days. It's gone from about $25,000 all the way up to $35,000, but since then has taken a slight dip, trading below $34,000. So again, we are looking at the daily chart, so let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading upwards, looking quite bullish, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from gas. However, the blue and the orange line here are looking way too steep, meaning it's not realistic. Again, the only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that has been taking place over the last couple of days. Has made the graph think that, this crypto is going to keep pumping at its current pace, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. In fact, what I am expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, is for gas to have gone for an overall drop in value. But again, it is going to be a minimal drop in value, nothing too crazy, nothing major. Potentially dropping down to around $4 is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher, up to about $5.50 or just over that over the coming hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down, trading at just above $4 towards the end of the day today is what I'm expecting. But again, do expect it to be quite volatile as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, exact same. The blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again it isn't realistic. So guys, over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I am expecting gas to have been gone for an overall increase in value, but nothing too crazy. Potentially trading around $5.20 to $5.40 is where I'm expecting gas to be trading at by the end of next week. So yeah, you get what I mean by it's not going to be a major increase. It's going to be a minimal increase in value, because we're going to have to take into consideration the drops that are likely to take place in between as well. Over the coming days, we are going to see red days on gas, due to the fact that it's pumped up so much over the last 24 hours. It is going to try and take a little bit of a drop, a little bit of a dip, because it's overvalued at the moment. Dropping down below $4 is what I'm expecting, potentially even heading to around $3.50 over the coming days, before by mid to end of next week slowly gaining value up to about $5.20 and $5.40 is what my predictions are at the moment. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again guys, we still got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again this isn't realistic. Exact same reason applies here, but over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, so let's say mid to late December 2023, I am expecting gas to have gone for an overall increase in value, but again it's going to be very, very minimal, potentially heading up to about just over $6 is what I'm expecting from gas towards the end of the year this year. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs. You guys know how volatile the crypto market is, so if the crypto market does manage to stay on the green side for the rest of the year and Bitcoin reaches near about $40,000, then yes, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market, not just on Bitcoin but the crypto market in general. But of course, if I am predicting such thing or able to predict that, or even a crash or anything like that, I will of course keep you guys updated as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we have literally broken out from the red zone straight into the green zone. We did resist yesterday, as you guys can see, it dropped back down into the red zone from yesterday, but today literally broke out and then broke out from the green zone into the dark green zone. So what I mean by it's going to take a little bit of a drop over the next 12 to 14 hours is for it to head back down into the green zone, and over the coming days potentially heading back down into the red zone is what my expectations are, as it didn't even resist. It literally broke out from one zone to the next and to the next as well. So yeah, most likely we are going to see gas dropping back down into the red zone. This should answer some of your questions. Is it worth buying it right now? Personally, it isn't, as I clearly mentioned. It is likely to take a little bit of a drop, so I personally wouldn't invest into it. But again, this is my take and my prediction. If you guys think otherwise, then go for it, invest into it if you guys want to. I'm not here to say invest or not invest. I'm here, guys, to give you guys my prediction and what I personally would do. But if I really wanted to invest into the crypto, I would wait for it to head back down into the red zone, potentially drop back down to around the $3 mark is what I would do. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and go on to the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up massively, 350%, making it $367 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading volume. It is one of the top gainers according to Binance as well, meaning we are going to see a lot of people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot more people trading the crypto, so which also helps the value increase as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.